What is the purpose of rebuilding the PS4 database?
Hello there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of PlayStation 4 maintenance, rebuilding the PS4 database. If you've ever encountered a sluggish or glitchy PS4, this might be the perfect fix.
What is rebuilding the PS4 database?
Rebuilding the PS4 database involves reorganizing and cleaning up the data on your PS4's hard drive. Think of it as a spring cleaning for your console, which helps to streamline your files and improve overall system performance.
Why should I rebuild the PS4 database?
Now, you might be wondering, why should you rebuild the PS4 database? Here are a few reasons. Improved performance. Rebuilding the PS4 database can help optimize your console's performance. This is especially useful if you've noticed your system is running slower or lagging in menu navigation. Free up storage space. Over time, your PS4's hard drive can become cluttered with unnecessary files. Rebuilding the database can help delete these redundant files, giving you more space for games and apps. Fix errors. If you're experiencing software glitches or games not running correctly, rebuilding the database can often help solve these problems.
How often should I rebuild the PS4 database?
It's recommended to rebuild the PS4 database about once every 6 months to a year, depending on your usage. However, if you notice persistent problems with your PS4, such as slow performance or frequent software errors, you might want to rebuild the database more frequently.
Is it safe to rebuild the PS4 database?
Rebuilding the PS4 database is a safe operation and is a built-in feature designed by Sony. It won't delete any of your saved data, games, or user information. However, it's always a good practice to back up your data before performing any major system operations, just in case. And there you have it. Rebuilding your PS4's database is a simple but powerful way to keep your console running smoothly. We hope this video has shed some light on why and how you should rebuild your PS4 database. Keep gaming, and until next time, stay tuned for more PS4 tips and tricks.